We do know that he went first to Ilges, and there newly installed what I call pressure alarm. We didn't have the sophisticated alarms then that we have now, but they had a previous burglary that's shown on the chart there on January 1st of 1978, and no one was harmed. The automobile was stolen and some personal items taken. But so in response to that, they had, I suppose, what was a state-of-the-art alarm system installed. There was a large center foyer at the base of the large stairway that went up to the upstairs, and under that a pressure alarm was installed. And when he stepped on the carpet, the pressure alarm activated. It activated a sound. Well, I believe it also automatically dialed the police. Perhaps lights came on. That was at something like 5:15 a.m. on the, let's see, the 11th, I believe. Yes, on February 11th, 1978. Almost 30 minutes exactly from the date of that, from the time of that, at would have been roughly 5:45. Ms. Schwob activated her buzzer alarm that she had hooked up to her neighbor's house in case of something like this happening. It was silent in her house, but it activated the sound alarm at a buzzer at a neighbor's house. The neighbor called Ms. Schwab's number, whoever was doing the attack, and I know Carlton Gary. He fled at that time. By the time the police got there, they went in. There was no perpetrator inside, although it was only a very few minutes because they'd only been minutes away at the Ilges house. And then, not that morning, but the next morning, on February 12th, in the late morning, Mrs. Borom, daughter-in-law and grandchildren came by and weren't able to get in her house. The police were called, were given permission to break in. Ms. Borom's body was found at that time. All that is to say, to the best of my knowledge, and I never have read or heard anywhere about whether or not he went to the Borom house before or after he went to the Ilges house. Her body was discovered the next day, the 12th.